What is up, riders? I just bought a BWS 50. I want to modify this thing. Let's get into it. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, first things first. These wheels are poked. The tires are shot. I'm going to get new Pirelli SL26s. We're not going knobbies. This thing's not holding air, as you can see. The valves don't hold, so we need to change out everything. But what I want to do is I want to powder coat these rims, probably white again. These are the drum brake in the front. I'm not going to go with anything different. We could go with the BWS rim on the front with the disc brake conversion. We didn't get any other versions here in South Africa, so we could do that. But let me know in the comments below which way do you want to go. Do you think we should stick with the 10-inch, do a disc conversion? Should we do the Nitro 12-inch rims? I don't know. You guys let me know. Right now, I'm going to just get these powder coated so we can get them on and we can get the spike rolling. Next up, we're going to replace the shock. I've got a... What shock do I have?
I don't know.
Fuck. Along with the wheels and tires, I'm going to replace the shock. I've got an RMS shock. It's just a generic one. It's going to be all black. I think I'm going to go with that for now. We can always upgrade in the future, but for now, I just want to get a proper shock in here. This thing is like a pogo stick. I mean, it ain't it. So we're going to do that too.
Oh, I think I'm going to have to take this thing off the center stand. I don't know.
After realizing that this is a vertical motor and not the usual horizontal Pirelli, I got to loosening the header bolts in order to remove the exhaust. We then got on to removing the exhaust to access the rear wheel before realizing that the exhaust doesn't exactly come off without removing the belly pan. I guess it's just going to have to hang there for now. We shot off the wheel nut with the impact gun, which was actually quite easy, unlike getting this damn wheel off the drive shaft. Onto the front, we have to remove the front brake cable, which is a drum brake. I'm not used to this because normally we only have a drum on the rear, so let me know in the comments down below if we should upgrade this to a disc front brake setup or keep it original. Off comes the 50s wheel and on goes the temporary BWS 100 wheel.
Right, wheels are off. We put a BWS 100 wheel on, but I think I know why my tires aren't holding in. Someone has kind of jerry-rigged the valve to try not leak. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. With sort of a polyurethane. And I mean, I'm not even pushing. Okay. Well, we know what the problem is. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take off these tires. I want to get new tires anyway, new valves. We're going to powder coat the rims. Let's take off these tires. They're a bit banged up, so we're going to see what we can do. Let's get on to that. Alright, wheels and tires are back. Tires are fitted. I think the wheels look amazing. Time to get them on the bike. Before I put the wheels on, I want to install this RMS shock. To do that, I've got to take off this body panel. It's done. Well, it's not really done because It's not working right now. The center stand is the wrong center stand. It's some made up janky welded thing. But check out the stance. Pretty good. I like it. New tires, powder coated rims, looking good. We obviously went with a longer shock, hence why the stance has changed. But have a look at this tiny shock. I'm not sure how many mils this is. Probably so this is a 290. So this might be like a 230, 240. Big difference. Nonetheless, it's looking quite good. So we're going to put the exhaust back on. We're going to put the plastics back on and tidy her up, start her up, see how she rides. Wait, is this the Odo? Where does the Odo go? Ah. Oh, shit. My bad. Okay, well, let's just do the brake first. Oh, there's the hole. This is a screw. Is that it?
Well,
Where's...
There's a clip or something that holds it.
Oh, no. Okay.
Whatever's in your bag.
Okay, I'll check that out. And then this goes on here. Let me pull that. There we go. Let's do this first.
The spring.
There's the spring. There we go. This baby on. Ow! Pinched me. Okay, front brake. Needs to be tensioned. That's the spring.
There's normally one on the cable.
No, I know. We don't have one. This worries me. You know what? Problem for another day. Okay. Check how heavy this thing is. It's like fiberglass reinforced. Feel it.
Well, I think it's fiberglass.
Feel it. Yeah.
Jesus.
But it's like heavy. Check this out. I need new panels. It's gonna be expensive to ship, but I need them. Anyway, on we go. Now that the body panels are on, holding on by one screw, we should put the carry rack on. But along with the wheels, I sent them also for powder coating. So I got them done in white. I say them, I mean the carry rack. And we got the wheels and the carry rack done in a gloss white. I think this is good finish. I'm not sure what color panel we're gonna do, but anyway, it's white. So let's put that on. Okay. We definitely need new hardware. All right, what is this? An 8. Yeah. That. You know what? Perfect. Let's put the seat back on. Yes. Last piece is, I don't know what you'd call this, because I would think spark plug, but spark plug's on top, so. No. Yes. Oh. There we go. We're done. Let's take her for a ride. Hang on. Let's take her for a ride. Cut. Alright, time to take her for her maiden voyage. No, that's her final voyage. Is it? I don't know. So you can see she's standing not on the center, not on the side stand, but it looks like she is. Looking quite cool. Alright, well, let's take her for a ride. I got fresh 2-stroke oil in here. Malossi 7.1. Let's see, here's the choke. First kick. Oh, it's a bit dead. Half choke. Looking good. I've got no mirrors, but anyway, shocks on, wheels are on, one light works. Let's take her for a spin. Alright, off the center stand. Oh shit. There we go. Chokes off. Whoa. Responsive. Pretty good.
Oh, this is rattly. Oh. Okay, kind of scary pulling out into a main road with a 50cc with no mirrors. But we are out here. Driven quite high. Should probably set the idling. Okay, now's my chance. What the hell is this? Okay, a little 6x6 action. Are you mad? Okay. Holy sherbet. Look at this thing. G63 6x6 next to a Prebug, next to my BWS 50. Are you mad? This guy's gonna run me over. Oh, I'm ahead of him. I'm scared. I hear him. Okay, we're chilling. Ooh. Okay. First big acceleration up a hill. We're gonna try it out. Also, this is very loose. Anyway, should be fine. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, 40. I feel like I am doing 40. 50. Up the hill. I do weigh quite a bit, so getting past. Nice. And 60. Off the clock. Woo! We're zooming. Okay, and to a stop. Check over my shoulder. Okay, now's our chance. Now is our chance. Let's go this way. She's so fun. She's zooming. It's a bit crazy here right now, peak hour. But we are gonna see if we can do a little bit of a 0 to 60. I'm gonna try. And yeah, I don't know how accurate it's gonna be, but might as well try, right? Okay, after this lady, then I'm gonna go and go. That's flat out 30, 40, 50, and 60. I mean, it's pretty good. It's still pulling. I think we're doing 70. Oh, easily. Look at that, off the clock. Surely. I think we maxed out the speed. I wish I could ask this lady, how fast am I going? Oh, we're zooming, we're chilling. Yeah, I mean, it needs some mods. That's okay, cause we're gonna do something in the next video. And zoom it, punch it. Oh, punch, go. Sorry, Bellino. Oh, we're zooming up the hill. Carry the momentum. Oh, carry the momentum, please. Oh, would be passing someone up a hill. That's crazy. Don't worry that it's peak hour traffic and people are going 50. I overtook someone up a hill on a BWS 50. Oh shit. My brakes. Drum brakes. Oh no. Oh, that's full brakes. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Woo! I love this little scooter. It's so nimble. Pretty nippy. I think she needs more mods. More mods to come. Alright, signal turning. Don't want anyone to ride in the back of me. And back to the workshop.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying this content, remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think of our videos and what you think of the BWS 50. I'll check you next time. Peace.